There are parents who are thinking of buying a baby walker, and there are parents who have already bought one. But before you put your baby in it, let's understand what baby walker actually does, why people use it, what the research says, and whether it's really safe. Hello everyone, this is Dipti. I am a physiotherapist. Let's talk about this topic in detail. A baby walker is a wheeled frame that allows a baby to sit inside and move around by pushing their feet. It gives babies artificial mobility long before their body is naturally ready for it. There are a few types of walkers: traditional sit in walkers, the common round ones with wheels, activity walkers, walkers with toys to keep babies engaged, push walkers. Babies hold and push them like a mini cart. Each one promises to help babies walk earlier, but let's see if that's actually true. Parents mostly use walkers because they believe it helps baby walk faster. Some use it to keep their baby entertained while they finish household work. Walkers look colorful, fun, and convenient, but the reality is very different from what parents expect. The truth is, walkers should not be used to teach walking. Babies develop walking naturally through rolling, sitting, crawling, standing, cruising, and only then taking their first independent steps. Using a walker skips the developmental stages that build real strength, balance, and coordination. Walkers are also considered unsafe worldwide. They move too fast, and babies have no control over speed or direction. A baby in a walker can reach dangerous places like stairs, kitchens, sharp objects, electrical wires, or hot surfaces within seconds. In fact, most walker related injuries happen even when parents are right there in the same room. And when it comes to development, walkers don't help babies walk earlier. Many studies shows they actually delay walking. Here's why. Babies push backward instead of stepping forward. It teaches an incorrect walking pattern. Babies are placed upright before their muscles and bones are ready. It can lead to toe walking habits. It reduces time spent on floor building true strength. Core and hip muscles develop late, which affects balance. Research clearly shows that babies who use walkers start walking later than babies who don't. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends a complete ban. Countries like Canada have already banned baby walkers entirely because of high injury rates. So, what can you use instead? Here are safer and more effective alternatives. Tummy time. Strengthen the neck, shoulders, and core. Floor play. Encourages natural movement without restrictions. Push toys. Only after babies can stand with support. Playpens provide a safe space for exploration and movement. These methods supports natural healthy development without any unnecessary risks. So, before you choosing a baby walker, choose your baby's safety first. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more such videos.